Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel3C exam. So if you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So Excel3C exams, click the launch and open the Excel3C exams. So total question is 2022 and we can go to the question number 1. So in a cell C6 create a formula to divide the value in cell B6 by cell B50. Be sure to make the value in cell B50. So select the cell C6, type is equal to and B6 divided by B50. Press F4 button in the absolute cell reference, press enter and copy the formula for cell C6 down through C7 to C14. So copy the formula and next is format a cell C6 to C40 with the person style and center. So C6 to C40, press enter. Sorry, C6 to C40, press enter. So select the range and go to the home tabs, go to the alignment groups, click the centers and click the percentage and centers. So question number 1 is complete and we can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is create the 3D pie charts using the range A6 to A40. So A6 to A40, press enters and C6 to C40. C6 to C14, go to the insert tabs and create the 3D pie charts. Go to the charts groups and click the 3D pie charts and next is move the pie charts new sheet and new chart sheet is survey results. So right clicks, click the move charts and new chart sheet name is survey result and then click OK. Sorry, CURVE by survey or ESULTS results and click OK. So question number 2 is complete and we can move to question number 3. So question number 3 is add the chart title, type the customer service. Customer survey and next is to the chart title apply the fill blue accent color 1 shadow word dot styles first row second style. So go to the format tabs and go to the word dot style groups and click the first row second style. Next is change the font size to chart title is 60 points and deselect the charts title. Go to the home tabs and go to the font size groups and click the 16 and deselect the charts. So question number 3 is complete and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is remove the legend from the charts, the chart element and remove the legend from the chart area. Add the data label position outside and then format the data labels only category names. Click the data labels and more options. The category name and percentage. Category name and percentage and remove the leader lines. So remove the leader line and format the outside and position category name percentage and remove the leader and close the format data. and format the data label with the bold and italics and change the font size 11. So go to the home tabs and click the bold and italics and font is to the 11. So question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is use the format data series. Use the format data series instrumented bevel effects to the pie charts width and heights 512, and then apply the same button to the width and height is 512. Change the surface material to the matter and do not close the from the data series. So select the click the series option and click the 3D formats, and top bevel is the first bevel and width and height is 512 512, and bottom bevel is the first bevel is 512, and next is 512. Change the surface material of the charts metal. So material is to metal. Material is metal and do not close the formatted. So question number 5 is complete, and we can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is to pie charts perspective left of perspective shadow, reset shadow and perspective in the first row, first shadow stack, and keep the data series task pane open. Pie charts, so pie charts, and go to the perspectives, click the shadow and reset to the perspective is first row, first shadow. Okay, so question number 6 is complete, and we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is change the angle of the first slice to 50, keep the format data series task pane open. So change the angle of the first slice, angle of the first slice 250 plus centers. So question number 7 is complete, and we move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is explore the internet search slice. So select the internet to internet search data labels, and point to exclusion is 50% the centers, and next is change the fill color internet search slice to the gradient fill precision bottom spots is at fourth row, fourth gradient. So go to the fill and lines and click the fill and click the gradient fill, gradient fill, and gradient fill is the preset bottom spots fourth row, fourth gradient. Is the bottom spotlight session force. So question number 8 is complete, and we move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is format the chart area is the select the chart area and gradient fill using the preset gradient. Top spotlights is at 6, second row 6 gradient. So select the gradient fills is the second row 6 gradient, second row 6 gradient, and apply the border to the chart area using the color black text one color. So select the border and solid line is color is black text one, and close the format chart area pane. So question number 9 is complete, and we move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is display the analysis sheets and then B6 change the value is 100%, sorry 100. go to the analysis sheets and select the cell as B6 is type 100 and press enter, and next display the survey result sheet view, change the percentage survey results. So question number 10 is complete and we move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is on the analysis worksheets in cell B15. So type the B15 and use the goal 6 determine how the number internet search. So go to the data tabs, what if analysis and click the goal 6 B15 and number is 2000 and select the cell is B7. Okay, and again okay. With the B50 selected it and apply the ASN4 theme set style. So go to the home tabs and go to the style groups, click the set style is ASN4 and the ASN4. So question number 11 is complete and we move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is on the analysis sheet, insert the footer file name in the left section and center the worksheet horizontally and vertically on the page. Return to the worksheet on normal view necessary. So analysis worksheets, go to the page layout tabs, page setup group, click the header and footer, and click the custom footer, footer left section file name, click OK and click the margin to the center and vertically and click OK. Group the all worksheet and then view first two worksheet and print preview. So right clicks and click the select all worksheets and go to the file tabs and click the prints and to. So question number 12 is complete and we move to the question number 13. So question number 13 is in the long term analysis sheets use the formula rates is equal to amounts and insert the formula C6 with the calculated percentage advertising spending increasing in cell C6 and this cell is C6 and press enter. Copy the formula C6 to D6 to F6. So please OK and submit the assignment. Click OK and check the score is what is your grades. So total grade Excel3C exam is 100%. So if you want to complete MylTLab courses Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 95 or 100% your grades, your assignments and your exam.